He does bark.
I know. Sometimes he wants to play.
That's what Spencer does to him, too. Leo will lay down so Spence can reach him.
Jack is doing what Josie does. They pick up toys and sort of wave it at each other. Come get it. Leo. It's kind of hard to get Leo riled up. He's like, do